everybody, welcome back to the NAR Garden. My name is Taryn. This is King. And today we want to share with you the 2022 Baker Creek catalog. You're so cute. So for those of you who don't know, Baker Creek is a seed company out of, Jesus Christmas, I always forget, somewhere in the Midwest. Hold on, we're gonna try this again. Okay, I think we're ready. So we, King and I, wanted to share with you the new Baker Creek catalog. Like I was saying, they are a seed catalog from the Midwest, from Missouri. I think that's the Midwest. You'll have to excuse me. I'm from Pennsylvania. The middle there gets a little blurry. I know where Colorado is. Anyway, so this is the catalog. It's still in the bag because it just came in the mail and I wanted to open it with you guys. It is a 532 page seed catalog. The cover price is $12.95. However, I pre-ordered online months ago and I'm pretty sure I only paid $10 for it. I would have to double check. These tomatoes I actually ordered as soon as they announced the cover design because it was between a few covers, and I figured if it's on the cover, people are gonna probably buy it, and I'm no different. So I bought those tomatoes. I'm just now realizing maybe my whole head was cut off. Was it? I don't know. Maybe. King also left. I think he went to go get a snack. But yeah, so I've already ordered some seeds from Baker Creek for 2022, just because I was excited. So yeah, so here they are. They're the black strawberry tomato seeds. That's what's on this year's cover. So this makes them look way bigger than they are. Anyway, cute. So we're gonna open this and take a look at it, and then hopefully if you are on the fence about whether you want to spend the money on a seed catalog when they have a free version, or you can just shop on the website, maybe taking a look at it will help you decide. So let's open it up. King came back for this part. He's really excited. So we can just tear it, but I happen to have some scissors sitting here, so we're gonna cut it. So this thing's huge and it's heavy, and you'll see, like, I mean, that's something. Last year's, I actually saved last year's too. This one was 500 pages. So this year's is 32 more pages. So, oops, sorry. What are on those pages? Hi. A few things. One, I was trying to do like an overhead view, except I don't really have the tools to do such a thing. Two, I just filmed this whole part, but I wasn't recording, so that's a little embarrassing. But no one knew until I just told you. Anyway, so we're just gonna kind of like open the catalog and look through it together. I also realized the reason I'm cutting my own head off is so you can see my dog because he's so cute. All right, let's see if we can do this. I have no idea how to do this. Please comment and give me any advice on how to make a video. Okay, King, stop. Okay, Stop licking me. So we have like some stuff, this isn't gonna work. So there's a whole about this catalog, who made this catalog, tells you a little bit about Baker Creek, tips for better gardening, top 10 easy growers for most gardens. I have only grown, out of all of these things that they show, mammoth sunflowers, and they weren't the gray mammoth sunflowers. I've grown bok choy, but not the purple. I don't like beets, I don't like radishes. I've grown Thai basil, that's obviously super easy. Not obviously, but it's pretty easy. There are quite a few seeds that are new for this year, and they have them on the website kind of separated. But like, I don't know, this is cool. You don't see this in a lot of catalogs. So white asparagus, and it's got like pages of information, history and growing. And I think that's, I don't know, I just think that's super cool. Okay. We have, balloon flower, which I actually do have in my garden, but I did not start it from seed, but those are really pretty. I have pink and white. I don't have purple. Basil, barley. Obviously it's alphabetical. There's recipes. Thai basil pesto. Winged beans, which I buy every year and have never successfully grown. As well as snake beans. Actually, these two I buy every year and never grow. Look how cool they are. Look at those snake beans. So those are cool. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but maybe the information is contained here in this catalog. I mean, obviously we're not going to go through all 532 pages. I did just want to kind of show you. Let's just flip around a little bit. How about that? This is so awkward. Echinacea. It's funny because I feel like a lot of stuff that like is known to be easy, I struggle with. And then things that people say are difficult, I've grown without any problems. So sometimes I kind of just, I don't know, hope for the best. I have grown these giant moonflowers, and they are giant. I know that's a child, but they are giant. However, they are toxic. So I decided to stop growing them just because I live in the city. And if you've seen any of my videos, you know that we get like a lot of stray cats through the neighborhood, and the neighbor has a dog and I have a dog, and I just thought, I'm pretty sure every part of the moonflower is toxic. My dog is old. I don't know if you can tell by looking at him, but he's 14. He turned 14 in September. So he's not all there, and he does things. You're stepping on my hair. 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 He does things that he didn't used to do, like eat stuff. You know, I never would have worried about it before, but now he's just unpredictable. So anyway, has nothing to do with the catalog. I mean, if anything, I say it's worth it just for the pictures. It can be like just a picture book. But I do like sitting with it, especially in the winter when I'm feeling like sad and it's cold and dark, and I'm in zone 6B. I'm in Pennsylvania, like southeast Pennsylvania, which I think I said I was in Pennsylvania. Anyway. And winter is cold and feels like it lasts forever. So it's nice to just like have this catalog, and I can flip through it, and I can put little post-it notes on the pages of stuff I want. There's a ton of peppers in here. So I'm sorry. He's so distracting. He's so cute though. Look at him. He has no idea that it's not just me and him. He doesn't know you're here. So I grew a ton of peppers last year, but I grew them from plants. Like my cousin and I went to this pepper plant farm, and it was like the end of the season. And so we both went a little overboard and bought like a ton of pepper plants. And then I saved seeds this year. So I'm still gonna buy peppers because I believe that if you wanna feel like a successful gardener, just grow peppers. They're very easy and super productive, and they'll just make you feel like the best gardener ever. Plus they're delicious and you can do all sorts of things with them. But yeah, so this catalog, if you buy it on the newsstand, is $12.95. There is also a free version that you can get just by signing up on their website. I don't know if I have last year's free one. I think that it's worth it. It's not the only seed catalog I get. It's not even the first catalog I've got for 2022 yet. This is actually the second. But I like it, and I think it's cool. And I've had, I'd say probably of all the Baker Creek seeds that I've bought, I'd say like I've had success with maybe like 75% of them. Whether that's because of me or soil conditions or whatever, I don't know. But I really enjoy this catalog, and I suggest checking it out. Maybe getting the free one before you decide if you want to buy it, but I think it's worth it, especially when you order in advance. It's $10. Like if you were buying a book this big, you wouldn't even think twice about $10, right? And this is, I guess it feels weird when it's like a catalog, like you're buying something just so you can pick out more things to buy. But yeah, it's cool. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with King and I. He went to get another snack. If you want to see more videos of he and I being ridiculous, comment, like, subscribe, and I promise there will be plenty more. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye. One more thing I forgot to mention. When you order from Baker Creek, you get a free seed pack. So this is what I've ordered already this year, because remember I wanted to get these. And then I got some flowers. I accidentally, oh, and I got these. I have never grown poppies from seeds. And I got these tomatoes. I actually accidentally got 2 packets. So most likely I'll end up giving one of these to my cousin, Katie, because she's like, or my Aunt Donna, because my cousin Katie and my Aunt Donna are like my gardening buddies. And you guys are my gardening buddies. But anyway, you get a free seed pack when you order. Oftentimes I get the same thing, but no complaints because it's free, and I think that's cool. I don't know what this is. I've never grown it, but I'm gonna, because it looks like mustard greens and celery mixed together, but I bet it's awesome. So anyway, this is really goodbye.